Okay, so I want to take a look at this tool I just bought here. It's the Kobalt 24V Max 24V Brushless Cordless Belt Sander. It is the item number 169403, model number KBS 124B-03. Now the tool was $139, but I ended up getting it free by buying a battery charger combo for $149 and get this $139 belt sander for free. Now this is strictly tool only, no battery. Now the belt size is 3 inches by 18 inches. Which is commonly, you can buy those anywhere. Alright, so let's take a look at the tool, a walk around as it were. The right side of the tool, the classic cobalt blue, and it's got the rubbery surfaces where all the black, the knob isn't, but up here on the handle, on the front, on the handle that you with the trigger, and here the rubberized surfaces. Left side of the tool, I think the first thing I'll show you is this handle, this fold-up handle on the front. It's got this knob here. Loosen it up, and you've got multi-positions. This is opened up at the furthest point, 2, 3, and 4. So you can store the tool with the handle all the way back. And I like that because you can push down on it like this if you need to. But the beauty of this is if you want to go flat or close to a surface, as you can see, there's nothing obstructing you from the very front of this belt. Everything is past this belt. So you can get as close as you can to whatever you're doing. If you're sanding a floor, refinishing a floor, and you're going to put some fine grit paper on here, if you're just going to do some finishing, or rough if that's the case. But so you'll get as close as possible. You're still going to have the distance from the center line of the wheel of the roller here that it rides on in here, but you're still going to get very close. Now the sander will work whether you have the extended run battery or the newer ultimate output battery, as shown here on the right. Here we have the extended run battery on it. And here we have the ultimate output battery next thing I want to take a look at is this variable speed dial that it has, which I think is excellent for a tool like this. I really like where you can adjust it, because when you put your hand on the trigger, you don't have to worry about leaving your finger positioned just right to get the optimal speed. So let's start this thing up at 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the specs say that it's 400 to 1,000 feet per minute of belt speed. This also offers a trigger lock, which is this button right here. Very easy to get to. And may I say that the balance is very nice. Well balanced with these 4 amp batteries that I use. Now to take the belt off, you would use this right here. I'm not going to do that. You just pull this back, and that would retract this roller, and you'd put a new belt on. And then to track the belt, you use this large knob down here on the bottom front left. Just rotate that back and forth. It's spring loaded, and that will allow your belt to be positioned fully on the roller. This does come with a nice small bag for dust collection. Unzips in the back. And that would attach right here. It's got a little notch here, right there, that you line up with a notch that's over here. And it goes on just like that. Now here's another nice feature. Where your dust bag would fit, you can actually put on the hose for a sweeper, 1.25 inches, just like that. Pretty nice. Alright, let's see how it does on this piece of wood. I've got it set to number 6. Just going to let the tool do the work. I'm not going to push hard. This was a really crummy piece of wood that I had in the garage, 2x4, that I thought I would try. Now I'm going to push down a little harder. It's not stalling. You can hear it. I'm pushing down pretty good with my hand. And there you go. I let go of it, but did a nice job. So if you've got a little heavier duty sanding, and it didn't appear to stall, really slowed just a hair, but it was actually pretty good. And I'm pushing down pretty good right now. Now without that dust bag on, you will get a lot of, just that little short time that I was using it there, it does collect a lot of dust, as would be expected. So if you're inside your house, you're probably going to want the dust bag, or your shop vac 1 1/4" outlet, as I showed, will easily adapt to that. But I was outside and I just wanted to do it without the bag on it.